Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now you're probably wondering, why are we focusing on the Emperor grandfather clock this time? Well, as you can see, it's running. Yeah, I mean, that's obvious, but something looks kinda out of place here. Oh yeah, the weights are nearing the bottom of the case. Well, except for that one. I accidentally wound that one without knowing that I had to make this video, because we're gonna wind the Emperor grandfather clock for the first time on video. Now, this isn't just your normal grandfather clock, unlike Colonial, because as you can see, it has keyholes. This one is chain driven, and it's a little different when it comes to winding it, because as you can see, there's no keyholes on the dial. And there's no key with it either. So how do you wind it? Well, it's simple enough. This chain, you just pull down. And just like that, the weights go back up. And it's quite heavy, but you can still get it. And there we go. Now this thing is fully wound and it'll be good to go for a few more days. That's the first time winding this clock on this channel in video, basically. So yeah, it's one nice clock. And I'm glad I got it repaired again, because it broke once already after I repaired it the first time, but I got a new suspension spring for it and put it in, and now it's working again. So let's hope it runs for a bit longer this time. But anyways, that's basically going to conclude this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. So with that being said, bye everybody.